too low to come in here. That shit looks wide body. Sheesh, Liberty Walk? And there's M6. All the Beamers. Look at that, guys. A marble wrapped M6. And then that wide body U92. Must be nice. I used to have one of those cars, bro. And then I sold it.
That shit was hard.
I'm an idiot.
I sold it for skirt cheap.
Oh! What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Another day, another car meet. Another dollar? No dollars.
Two of my dream cars.
Where?
I got a GT3 and a Mercy.
Oh yeah, the Mercy is hard. As always, Origins has some sick ass cars in here. Ferrari. This one's like always here. The homie Bow's GT3 RS. Mercy. GTR. Aventador. Jordan, you can have this, bro. I'll take the Aventador.
I'll take this, yeah.
No way. What would you guys rather take, the Mercy or the Aventador? Aventadors are so sick, guys. God, I want one so bad. Sheesh. Sammy needs to get his bag so I can drive it. Look at this guy's dog. Bro, what if I put beamers on my back like that?
Same size as you.
Look at him. Oh, shoot. Damn. It is pretty crazy, like that old of a car. Oh shit, RS3? I raced one on the freeway the other day, and he beat me, bro. What's in this vending machine, guys? Oh, another one. Oh, they got stickers. These little Japanese trucks. Right-hand drive. That shit's sick. That shit is tight on. We got David here. Damn. It's M4 though. That same hood, same everything. Look at this Mustang, guys. The color on it is sick. The wrap, purple, blue. I think Jordan's ending up keeping his Mustang, guys. You're gonna keep it?
Yeah, it's coming back.
He was gonna sell it, if you guys remember. He still has it.
I'm gonna do a wild ass build. It's gonna take some time, but
he wants to drift it now. I mean, he's always been drifting it, but he wants to make it like a real drift car. Pretty much my E46, but a Mustang. Which is pretty crazy because it's not a freaking old car. It's just a 2015.
It's all stripped down.
That's literally like if David gutted his F80 because they're both 2015s and you're about to make it a full drift car.
Break some necks, get some
people over here drifting 240s. He's over here drifting a Mustang, a new Mustang. It's so small, bro. Oh yeah, that shit's definitely only going 30 miles per hour. It sounds like about 30 miles per hour.
Like, come on, man.
What?
What would go through your head? Like, hey, I want to put, what the fuck is this?
You don't like it?
Lines on my car.
I like it. I think it's hard. Mercedes, Mustangs, RS3s. I actually like them a lot. Riley's GTR, probably the fastest one I've seen so far. This shit is so crazy. Have you seen the sticker? The sticker's so sick, bro. Look at you guys over here. There's cops just staking out the car meet right now. Two of them. Oh yeah, they're just waiting for us to leave. After this, we're about to go on a cruise, and I bet you they're gonna follow us. Try to get somebody. Damn, guys, this R3 is so clean on TEs. I know TEs.
Hey, yo, Nick.
What's up, bro? Oh shit, you got the merch. Dude, I actually haven't seen merch in a long time in public. That was sick. I need to make a new merch drop. That's why. I know TEs seem like they're a little played out. I feel like they kind of are, bro. Like everyone has TEs, but they do look good. I'm not gonna lie. The Viper. Oh, this is gonna be crazy, bro. Oh, I just broke my lip. Just kidding. Look at the Hellcat. God damn. Look at the wheels on that shit. You see it? That was tripping. I don't even know there was more cars over here. There's a shitload of cars. Should we race the Viper?
Viper to race. You got a GT500.
We got Bowser race. Let's see if we can race some people on the freeway. And that was it. Shit, wide body. much called me out for a race. He's on wilds, bro. I don't know if I trust him. He said he has the same mind as me, but I don't know. This Beamer too. Oh shit. Bro, Bow's GT3 is so sick. GTR was pretty quick. And that BMW was fast too, I think, bro. Oh my god. That's actually insane, bro. Like, those flames are no joke. I thought that GTR spits crazy flames, but look at that shit. Imagine the cops saw that. You're probably getting your car taken away. But knowing me, guys, if I got pulled over for that, I'd probably try to bullshit my way out of it. I'll make some crazy lies or something. Is that the Huracan I rented? Looks like the exact same Huracan. Oh, I know a white one. Look how sick they are, guys. 2 Huracans. This GTR is so sick, guys. Like, wide body, R35, Liberty Walk. That is insane. I think this body kit's hella expensive. McLaren. Supposedly he has a digital dash. Oh shit, he does. I want to do that, guys. But I think in order to get the dash, you got to change like your ECU too or something. It's like a Motec or whatever. The purple brakes stand out so much. Another GTR. There's so many GTRs, bro, and so many Lambos. God damn. I want one so bad. And the Mercy. So many sick cars here. There's 2 Huracans over here. This red one looks exactly like the one I rented. It's literally identical to the one I rented. Same wheels, everything. Same front bumper. Oh my god, there's so many cars. They don't even fit in this parking lot. Hear this thing, guys. It's honestly not even that loud, but it's still pretty loud. They just idle so loud, bro. Oh, it's gonna hit my car. I don't know if they have a backup camera. Look at the guys. E92. The E92 that we saw at the gas station. It's really sick, bro. I've always wanted a wide body mine. I just never did it. These cars look good wide body.
Yeah, super good.
Jordan was saying that wide body GTR doesn't look. I mean, they don't look that crazy wide body, but these cars, like, they look really good wide body for some reason. I don't know why.
Hard top drop.
I know it's a convertible. Oh, it's Jordan right there. They're just so sick, dude. I know. If I buy another one, guys, it's for sure gonna be sick shit. This is the GTR that we were racing. I know the RD sticker looks sick on. It makes it look like it's like 1,000 horsepower or something. That's crazy. And I wanted to put a sticker right there too. When you see like an RD engineering sticker on a GTR, guys, it's probably fast. But yeah, he has the same tune as me and supposedly the same mods. That's why his GTR was right next to me, honestly. Like, we literally didn't even move. It was literally head to head, bro. We couldn't get like a good start. As you guys can tell though, like it's literally identical. Our cars are probably identical speed, identical horsepower. Look at the tire setup on this thing, guys. A Wild on a GTR with a little slick. It is a slick, damn. Yeah, this car's really nice. And it's a newer year too. It's like the 2017, 18, 19. I don't know. It looks sick with the wheel setup. I thought it was faster. He had me fooled, bro. It looks sick though. I've always wanted to put a big old Wild tire on mine too. Fat ass tire on the back. That's a big ass slick. This is BMW though. This shit got both of us, dude. I wasn't expecting that. Look, it's all gutted, bro. Wasn't there someone sitting in the back?
Yeah, there's like two.
Oh, what the fuck? Bro, someone was sitting back here, guys, racing on the freeway. It has no passenger seat?
No passenger, nothing.
Bro, I had a car full of homies. They're all sitting on the floor? There's no way, bro, they were sitting on the floor. That's sketchy. No wonder he's fast, bro. He's literally completely gutted. I don't know where his turbos are. Oh, they're down there, right? 2 turbos?
Moving though.
It was moving, bro. It was moving. That Mustang was crazy, guys. Like I said, I thought GTR flames were crazy until I seen that thing. I filmed it in one of my other vlogs too, revving it. That shit's crazy. I think this thing spits flames too. Look at the Viper. Damn. Then another GTR. So many GTRs, bro. Oh, that's that crazy ass one. Look at the exhaust. Yeah, that shit's so sick.
Oh shit, everything romantic.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.